Hello, Collision Community. My name is Ari Roinila from Mishawaka, Indiana in the United States, and I'm here to introduce myself to all of you so that you can get a better understanding of who I am, the band I play for, and how Collision has just impacted me in quite a positive way. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's given me a chance at Collision to just explain who I am as an individual and show off my music a little bit. I'm 31, the year 2021. Thank you for getting us through 2020. I've been playing music for a very long time, been playing drums for a very long time, and I started pretty much right before kindergarten, just playing on a little plastic drum set, and now here I am with, like you can see behind me, just all kinds of drums. Played in middle school, played in high school, played in college in concert and symphonic bands, so got a lot of technical training there. And then started playing on a drum set after college. Played in a couple worship teams at churches, and then got plugged in with one in particular person, a guitarist by the name of Matt Boggs. And with him and me, we decided to start a band because we had really good chemistry. We clicked really well. And we called that band Of Saints and Scoundrels. That's the band that I'm currently in. We got founded in 2016. Played lots of shows, had a couple members come and go, but me, Matthew Boggs, Michael Cherry Holmes, us three core members are playing really, really well and playing as many shows at as many venues as we can get into. And that's a great transition into Collision brand drumsticks. I've played a lot of different sticks, played with a lot of different brands, a lot of different types, and after playing with Collision from another drummer that I played with before, he mentioned that Collision brand is small, grassroots kind of thing, and here's a pair of free drumsticks, go play with them, have fun. And I played with them. I was really shocked at how well they were balanced, how well they were made, just how well it felt in my hand. The rebound, everything about it was just awesome. So I'm like, okay, cool, let's try this, let's move forward with it. So I landed on 5B standards because, well, I've been playing with 5As and 5Bs for a long time, and it's just felt natural, so no need to add any extra length or anything like that, just regular 5Bs. And I got the custom logo, as you can see right here. That's the band logo. And you can see my wife made a shirt with her vinyl press, because, well, why not? Let's make merch for the band. And we just thought that that's a really good way to spread our brand a little bit, was just put some logos on the sticks and hand them out at shows, or if they break, give someone a souvenir. Just another good way of PR, essentially. I really enjoy Collision's community. There's a lot of grassroots. I mean, everybody's coming up from the bottom. It's just all local musicians. Everybody's building on everybody. There's a lot of support there. There's a lot of love, and there's a lot of caring that goes into it, and that's another reason why I love the customer service. Everybody seems so intent on their mission. They're spreading out great drumsticks, getting people involved that need to be involved, plugging people where they need to go. That's just one of the great reasons that I got with Collision, along with fantastic drumsticks. Good sticks, good people, good mission. That's why I'm with Collision. Right now I'm going to stop, and we're going to get set up, and I'm going to play one of my favorite songs from Of Saints and Scoundrels called Big City. And we'll check back with you here in a second. Thanks. Have a good day. Hello, Collision Community. My name is Ari Roinila. You just saw my intro video a second ago. And now we're going to sit down and play Big City from my band Of Saints and Scoundrels. I hope you enjoy it.